What is up, MotoBros and girls? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be installing the Kemimoto Fender Eliminator kit. I know a lot of people have requested one of those. It's much needed because this thing is just way too long and ugly. So that's going to tuck everything up. It even has the spots for the stock blinkers and stuff, so that's nice. So we're gonna go ahead and show you guys how to install that, and we also got a coupon code for you guys if you want to get one as well. So let's get started. Alright, so first you're going to pull off your seat. You should all know how to do that. And then you got to just take off these 4 Allens right here. And that'll give us access to pull off the nut and bolts that are holding this tail section on. Now we're gonna lift this plate up, and you got one here, one there, one there, one there, and that's gonna drop the whole tail piece here, and then we're just gonna install this new one. Alright guys, we got to get to the wiring, so we're going to pull these 4 off. And I'm assuming we're just going to tuck all the wiring back in here, but we'll let you guys know. So yeah, just take these 4 off. Alright guys, so it's a bit more than we thought, but we're just trying to get to the wiring and stuff. So we're going to take these 4 screws out too. We just took out those 4. We're just trying to get this whole thing taken apart so we can get to the wiring. Alright guys, so that did work. We got all the wiring. So now all you got to do is unclip them, and so you can pull your blinkers out and stuff and connect it to the new one, and the rest of the wiring will just kind of sit inside here. Alright guys, so these are all the clips. We just took them off from over there and pulled them through. So now that's going to allow us to pull out our blinkers. And obviously if you have aftermarket ones, it'll be a little bit different, but that's kind of how you do it. And those will just go on the new one. We'll show. Oh yeah, so you just pull open that, pull it out, and then just sink her in. Bam. And just kind of fold that little piece so it'll fit through, and just pull everything out. Just like that. Yeah, and then we'll have to pull these off because we're also able to retain the license plate light as well. So that's what we're going to do now.
Yeah, so now it's just assembling the new one. So we're going to put the blinkers back on, license plate light, and the license plate. So pretty much, it's pretty easy. You're just going to put everything on the same way you took it off.
Gonna put the license plate light on. So everything's gonna go pretty much exactly how you took it off the stock way. Let me grab the hardware right here. So you're gonna reuse all the hardware. Alright guys, so we got it installed. It's kind of how it looks, not too shabbily. Definitely a lot better than what it was. And we just kind of ran the wires back through, tucked it in here, plugged them back in, and that's pretty much it. If you guys want to cop one, I'll leave the link in the description along with the discount code, and go ahead and check them out. Seems pretty good so far out of the other ones I've looked at. So yeah, if you guys are in the market for one, go ahead and hit up that link in the description, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.